Good morning, folks. Son in my heart and the universe told me, reach out to you. I don't know who needs to hear this, but I pray it reaches somebody in good faith. You know, you think we're not the same. You think we're not similar. You think we all aren't human, and you think we don't have the same worries. You think you're a good singer, but you're scared to try. Someone told you you're not good enough. You got an idea, but you're scared to try. You just want to talk about it, or you're scared to let people know about it. You know, I was the same exact way. Nigga on depression hotline, didn't know if I wanted to live anymore. But then I made up my mind. Made my mind to do better, be better, and then I wanted more out of life. I made up my mind and said, fuck what everybody else is talking about. I know what I want out of life. I know what I can be. I kept envisioning it, seeing it. I know you can do the same. Maybe you don't have the support. You don't have the encouragement around you, people around you supporting you with just positive energy and affirmations that you can achieve it. So that's at least what I'm telling you is that I have a solution. There's a reason I was able to go from being depressed as fuck, having nothing, no one wanted to hang out with me, getting into all kinds of trouble that I was bringing upon myself, to talking to politicians, having these people want to pay me just to speak to them, just to advise them on health or something like that. At least there's a chance that it could help you. I believe in you. I am you. We are the same. Even though we're different, we have similarities. We are all humans, and we owe it to ourselves to be the best we can while we're here. So I hope this reaches the right people. I love you.